Here I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro, and let me show you how to activate and use test mode on the following device. So at first, let's open the phone dialer and then enter a secret code, which is *## *## 64663 ###. And now we are in testing mode, where you can check your device, all the features. If you have any issues with, for example, receiver or speaker, you can check if it's application or your Xiaomi itself to blame. So as you can see, you can, for example, perform a SIM card test, keyboard test, display test, receiver, speaker, main mic test, top mic test, and all the others, also fingerprint sensor or GPS. So let me show you, for example, vibration test. Simply click on it and select the mode that you can hear or feel. So it's this one, and click on pass. You can also check notification LED, but I will skip it for now. We can also check display, touchscreen to begin test, so it's red, it's correct. Now we should see some other color, for example blue, here it is, and it passed definitely. You can also check receiver, so you can do it, you'll hear. So it's 82, two random numbers, they will definitely correct. It passed.
2 5 2 5.
And it's 25, so it passed as well. And you can come along with all the other tests, you can check your device and all the features. And that's basically all, so you can activate test mode, use it. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.